So first we're going to talk about, it's good to know why we actually want to name things the way we do. Okay? And naming conventions are important. And the main reason why naming conventions are important for chemistry is because it allows chemists around the world to communicate with one another. Okay? So if you imagine that English scientists, or scientists that speak the English language, have naming conventions of their own, and French scientists may have naming conventions of their own, and Chinese scientists may have naming conventions, then communicating scientific breakthroughs between those different languages becomes difficult. So the reason why we keep naming conventions international is because we want to allow chemists to communicate with one another so that in terms of research, the field of chemistry can grow much faster. So people aren't repeating the same experiments because things have different names. Okay? So that's the main reason. Similar to what maths is considered quite a universal subject, and many people enjoy the idea that maths can be used to communicate with anyone who understands maths as well. Similarly here, chemistry can be used the same way. Chemical names are all the same across the world, so it allows chemists to talk to one another about chemicals and new chemicals that are developed. Now, because of the huge amount of chemicals in the universe, just the huge, vast majority of them, a naming convention also helps to avoid ambiguity or confusion. Okay, so other than this one, the other one here is that there are a lot of chemicals that look very, very similar, but have very, very different properties. Now, if we don't name these correctly, we could have a situation where chemicals that aren't supposed to be mixed together may be mixed together because we didn't understand the different naming conventions. So it's to avoid ambiguity between chemicals that look sort of similar, okay? So these two are the main reasons.